The new 2019 Ram 1500 debuted last month at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show, but the automaker is keen to show off the many ways the truck can be tweaked with factory-backed Mopar parts. In fact, Mopar says there are over 200 items already available for the new Ram, though the customized 1500 Bighorn Sport on display at the 2018 Chicago Auto Show only has a few items. It even has a few bits not yet available for purchase, which we'll talk about later. Truck buyers tend to be people who either work or play in the outdoors, so Mopar decked out this Ram with items that support an outdoor theme. It starts with a modest 2-inch lift kit for a bit of extra clearance, which also gives some extra room for the 35-inch tires. They mounted on Mopar 18-inch wheels that are bead-lock capable, which can help keep the tires on the rims when aired down to lower pressures. Fender flares and full-length running boards add to the Ram exterior toughness, as do the Mopar hood stripes. The bed-mounted Ram rack is one of those items not yet available, though Mopar says it coming in the near future. It was actually shown way back in 2016 at SEMA, so we not entirely sure what near future means at this point, but it looks simple to install and quite effective to use. The front and rear sections of the rack mount to existing utility rails in the bed and can be adjusted forward and back as needed. Mopar says the Ram rack is capable of transporting a variety of lifestyle equipment and gear, which obviously includes kayaks. We also see contractors with ladders using this quite often. The other not yet available item is found under the hood in the form of a new Ram Airflow cold air intake. Mopar says it will work with all hood applications for the new Ram, as long as there are 5.7-liter Hemi V8 in the engine bay. There's no mention of horsepower gains with the cold air kit, but it's designed to work with the Mopar Performance exhaust system. Or if you just want the look without the sound, Mopar will sell you a pair of 5-inch exhaust tips to increase your Ram's bling factor. Brushed aluminum door sills and burly Mopar all-weather floor mats round out the upgrades for the Chicago-bound show truck. And since Mopar is part of the FCA family along with Ram, accessories ordered and installed through the Mopar custom shop prior to delivery get full factory warranty coverage. The parts even show up on the window sticker, and Mopar is keen to remind folks that accessory purchases handled this way can be lumped into the financing package.